Brad Williams, Excel Prime, sum run times by status. What does that mean? We're going to be dealing with time. When we're dealing with time, formatting is critical. We know it's simply the decimal portion of a date. Keep in mind, in terms of readability, we want to make sure that it's readable. You don't want to start throwing in hours when you actually meant minutes. Is this 53 hours or is this 53 minutes or 53 seconds? You may need to define that. Over here on your right, we're just looking at some definitions as to the proper format. Here, what we did is we put a custom format in here. Go in here. Notice it's in G5. Just hit Control 1. You can see the custom format. It's minutes. Why they bracketed H? If your time exceeds, in this case, more than an hour, it's not going to roll over. It's just going to continue counting. It's important. If you're over 24 hours, you want that time to continue counting. You don't want it to roll over. So, for example, you have, I don't know, it ends up being 13 hours and 22 seconds. Well, you don't want that to be an hour and 23. You want to show runtime as 13:23. Runtimes, I didn't define it, whether that's 48 seconds or 48 minutes or 48 hours. It's minutes. In terms of run times, this is how you can set up random time. Using RAND, you can use this format. What it does is it just breaks it down into minutes. And then we have our dates, then operational. What we're asking, operational times, add them up. If it's shut down, add it up. If it's maintenance, add it up. We're using SUMIFS. We could use SUMIF. Why? Well, we have a single criteria. If we have multiple criteria, SUMIFS is mandatory. Outside of that, the only key thing here is the times. Depending on whatever structure you define, you might say runtime. You could say minute runtimes. I'm going to say minute runtimes. I just typed in minutes. Runtime minutes. It just makes it easy to understand. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.